Shalom, beloved mommies and daddies. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make parenting joyful. I've got 5 love ways. I call them 5 love ways on how to enjoy parenting because parenting is a difficult and sometimes daunting task. Happy parenting or happy parents don't focus on shortcomings or failures. Instead, they take pride in what they have accomplished. They are the one who celebrate achievement, both their own and of their children. So today, I will be talking to you about how to enjoy your parenting process in 5 love ways. The first step: love unconditionally. Love is a powerful glue that binds families together and fortifies relationships. So, love your children unconditionally. Find ways to make them understand. Communicate your affections with words and actions like hug them, cuddling. Your abundant care and support greatly influence their self-esteem, their confidence levels, and their academic performance. So love them unconditionally in spite of what they have done or what they did. Love them unconditionally. If you do this, you will enjoy parenting because you will be focusing more on the love that you have for them rather than the mistakes that they are doing. Number 2 is love with each other. It is said that laughter is the best medicine, and it is true. Have some fun when you find yourself with your child. Do things with them. Even if you are in a sticky situation, don't yell, but laugh at it. Laugh at that situation. Share funny experiences or stories to create some perfect and happy moments. So laugh with each other. Don't take everything, be angry with everything and take everything personally and take it and make it all about you. Just laugh with each other. Even when things are not going the way you were supposed to, just laugh. Laugh at the situation and laugh with each other. Laugh with your children. The third part that we are going to be talking about is listen to each other. Listen to each other. Meaningful communication between parent and child always ensures a better relationship. And the ability to listen is a critical part of communication. Make a conscious effort to listen attentively to what they are saying, even when it's something insignificant or you are in that midst of doing something important. Make time to listen to them. You would rather pause what you are doing and give them the attention that they need. Being receptive and empathetic to their feelings and emotions when they want to vent their disappointment and frustration, it helps. Such attitude encourages your child to open up, thereby encouraging a stronger emotional connection, which will lead to more happy moments. Again, if you listen to your child, they will learn to listen to you and others as well. So listen to your child. Listen when they talk. Listen when they express their feelings. Be attentive to them. When you do this, I tell you, you will start enjoying parenting your children. The fourth step is called learn from each other. You could never ever say that you know enough, especially when you are a parent. You could never ever say that, I've learned all that I can, because children are different. So the way that you treated the other one cannot work with this other one because they are totally different. So learn from each other. One of the ways in which you to embrace life is to learn from our happy-go-lucky little ones. Learn to let go and indulge in silly things that your child finds so exciting. Learn some simple but important life lessons from your child, like to forgive as easily and not holding on to grudges. Bring out the child in you by moving out of your comfort zone. Learn every day, because the more you learn, the more it will be easy for you to know how to react and how to approach them, because you are learning from them. So learn from each other. The final L step, which are called live as a family. That's the fifth step. Find ways to spend your quality time together as a family. Although it might seem difficult, owing to busy schedules, but make time for this, because connecting with each other is certainly one of the best way to relax and ease underlying tensions. Introduce family traditions like a daily meal together, or a weekly outing to the park or to the beach. Ask your children to come up with activities that might make for an incentive time together. You will be surprised at the simple things all of you can enjoy as a family. Encourage your child to help you with chores around the house. They will also feel involved in your life. So live as a family. So, beloveds, mummies and daddies, those are the 5 L ways, the 5 love ways to make parenting joyful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification button, so that whenever we've got new parenting tips for you, you will be the first to learn. And never ever forget, live and love, because you are worth it.